This is just an educational video. This is a recent purchase, and it's sort of, I'll be gentle because the owner's standing right next to me. This is how you don't buy a boat. When you see these screws that are out right here, that means it's been moving. When you see those cracks, you know it's been moving, and you can see how much play is in there. And what makes you look for that is those marks with the where the hull's been just drooling out stuff from inside the transom. So go ahead and lift up one more time and push down. So this is a current thing of what you look for on the transom of a boat and what you don't want to have when you buy one.